Are you looking for the best table saw? In this video, we will break down the top 6 table saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1, SAWSTOP Professional Cabinet Saw. This is a heavy, solid table saw, and it weighs 449 pounds. If you take care of it, this saw could last decades, or even a lifetime. Its 2 cast iron tabletops are impeccably designed and perfectly level. That, along with its heavy gauge steel 52-inch fence, provides maximum durability. Despite its weight, it features an integrated mobile base with 2 fixed wheels. Add to that a pair of 360-degree casters and an automatic lift mechanism. These features make it easy to move your saw around your workshop. Moreover, it includes a 3 horsepower, HP, 220-volt engine strong enough to slice through most things with ease. Every part of this commercial cabinet saw is produced from heavy-duty materials and made to last. Although it's a little more expensive than other similar saws, you do get what you pay for. After all, there's a 2-year warranty for your satisfaction. At number 2, POWERMATIC PM1000 Table Saw. This table saw looks like a cabinet running a 1.34 HP motor that doesn't seem to have enough punch. But a specific poly V-belt system ensures that the motor is used to its maximum efficiency and reduces the vibration of the blade. Also, it comes equipped with a 50-inch rip fence and a miter gauge that can pivot up to 60 degrees in either direction. In terms of safety features, it has a tool-less blade guard assembly that sits above a 10-inch saw blade. This is a design that allows the sides of the guard to move independently, therefore, never leaving an edge of the blade to be exposed. Its impeccable build quality and accuracy, some of the main selling points for this cabinet table saw. The slightly smaller engine power size is still more than powerful enough to cut through oak and maple, and the riving knife is easy to adjust. Finally, it comes with a 5-year warranty for your satisfaction. At number 3, DEWALT DWE 7491 RS Table Saw. This portable table saw is the best table saw of the caliber. It features a 32.5-inch rip capacity with a rolling stand and a rack and pinion fence system. The fence adjustments are fast, smooth, and accurate. The large rip capacity is great to cut larger shelving and trim materials. The material support can be used for narrow rip cuts as well. Also, it comes with a 15-amp motor that will cut very quickly through the material, including hardwoods, with little to no issue. The saw table measures 26 1/4 inches by 22 inches to provide some decent support for those sheets of plywood and MDF. Cutting depth is 3/18 inches at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. And with all that cutting, you'll need a solution for all the dust and debris. This portable table saw features a 2-inch dust collection port that connects to your shop vacuum. Best of all, it is backed by a 3-year limited manufacturer warranty. At number 4, SAWSTOP JOBSITE Saw Pro. This is the most expensive table saw. The safety system will give you some extra peace of mind though. The saw itself offers a 25.5 inches rip capacity and has a 1.5 HP motor. The unit includes all of the features that you would expect from a high-end saw, including a high-quality T-style fence, excellent dust collection, effortless adjustment, bang-up cut accuracy, just to name a few. The cart folds down to resemble a piece of luggage that you would take on a plane. This makes transporting it very easy because you can simply collapse it to fit it into your car or truck, then pull it, along with the included handle. Above all else, it comes with a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. At number 5, MILWAUKEE 273621 HD Table Saw. This table saw is fitted with a lithium high-output HD 12.0 battery, which offers 50% more cordless power and runs 50% cooler than traditional power tool batteries. With regards to battery power, this table saw delivers 600 linear feet of cutting per charge. It boasts a 24.5 inches rip capacity, allowing you to easily cut 4-inch sheets of plywood without any hiccups. This table saw comes with a rack and pinion fence, which can be adjusted using gear for precise square cuts. Lastly, it comes with a 5-year warranty on material and workmanship. At number 6, BOSCH Power Tools 4110 Table Saw. If you find yourself needing to wheel your table saw around your workshop or job site, then this is the best option. This table saw the gravity rise system, allowing you to pull the saw around your site. The automatic rising system levels to your table saw to the right height when you're ready to cut your material. Also, it provides strong performance. The powder-coated finish of the steel frame looks professional, and the folding design is great for contractors who need a compact table for the site. The performance of this saw is fantastic, with the motor spinning the saw disc at speeds of up to 3,550 RPM under consistent load. After all, it provides a limited 1-year warranty for your satisfaction.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.